As a beginner video editor, one of the important skills you need to have is how to design your sound. Sound design. It's very, very important as a beginner video editor for you to learn it. There are 3 basic sound design skills which include how to add background music, how to add sound effects, and how to remove noise from your video. I am going to teach you all 3. Hello everyone, my name is Emmanuel and welcome to I Preach Tech. If you are new to this channel, please click on the subscribe button. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome with love. In this channel, I teach how to edit with CapCut and how to grow on social media. Now back to working with sound using CapCut. I am going to teach you how to add background music, how to add sound effects, and how to remove background noise from your video. First of all, we'll be doing background noise removal. Now open your CapCut. Click on new video. Now select the video project. Click on add. Now let us play the video and confirm that it has background noise.
Hello everyone, welcome to my video without mic. For this video we are going to be removing background noise.
Now to remove the background noise, you click on the video clip. Now go to your tools bar until you see reduce noise. Reduce noise. Now toggle it on.
Hello everyone, welcome to my video without mic. For this video we are going to be removing background noise.
Now you can see that you can barely hear the noise, the background noise that was in this video previously. Now this is one way to reduce background noise in your video. Another way to remove background noise in your video, to completely eliminate the background noise so that you can't hear even a pinch of it, is by going to enhance voice. Click on enhance voice on your tools bar. Now you click on allow. Now toggle it on. You have to wait for some time for CapCut to complete the voice enhancement. Now it's done. Let us play the video again to see if we can still hear background noise.
Hello everyone, welcome to my video without mic.
You see, the noise has been completely eliminated. Now let me show you how to add background music to your video. To add background music to your video, on your tools bar, click on audio. Now after you click on audio, next you click on sound. Now you will see all the pre-recorded music that CapCut is giving you to add to your video. All these ones here are all recommended. Let me play one for you to listen to it. Now this is CapCut giving us this music to use as our background music of our video. Now for us to add it to our timeline, click on the plus sign and then let's see how it is. Now if you notice, the background music or the song is overshadowing my own voice, is masking my own voice. It's not really good that way. Now for you to make it rhyme very well, you have to reduce the volume of the background music. Now click on the background music, make sure it's selected. Now on the tools bar, select volume and then you reduce the volume.
Hello everyone, welcome to my video without mic.
Looking sharp now, right? Now you say okay. You see, this is how to add background music to your video. There is also another way you can add background music to your video. Assuming you have a background music from another video that you really like, maybe you see a video that has this cool background music that you really want. Now what you need to do is to go and extract that music from that video. Now let me teach you how to do it. Click on sound. Now click on the folder icon. Now click on extract audio from video. Now it will take you to your gallery where you can see videos and extract the sound from it. I don't have much videos here. I don't have a video that we can extract sound from. Okay, I think I do. Let's use this. Now let's assume I want to take this commentary from this football video. All I have to do is click on add. This is the sound that we extracted from the video.
Huge
Click on the plus sign to add it to your timeline. Now let us delete the initial one, and then we've added this.
Hello everyone, welcome to my video.
You see, we just added, that commentary, the voice, the sound of the commentary into our video. So this is how you can also add a sound effect or maybe a background music from another video into your main video by just simply extracting. Now to the last but not the least, how to add sound effect to your video. To do that, click on audio, click on sound effects. Now you will see a lot of pre-recorded sound on CapCut that you can use. There are a lot, trust me, there are a lot that can serve you to edit your video. CapCut even categorize them, right? There are a lot of categories that you can find sound on them, right? Unless you want to go all the way to use all these popular sound, popular meme effects, sound memes on your video. That's when you can go out of CapCut. But if it's about the standard sound effects that you can use for your videos, CapCut has a lot, trust me. Now let us test some of the sound effects here on CapCut. So these are some of the sound effects here on CapCut. Now there is a way to use sound. You don't just use sound because you want sound to appear on your video. You use sound according to the movement of your camera. Maybe you want to display a text, or you want to display another image on top of your video. Now let me show you an example. Let's leave here. Assuming I want to add text to this video right now. Now I just added a text and added an animation to it. You see, the text just displayed with the animation, right? If you want to learn how to add text to your video, I've already made a tutorial on that. Check my YouTube channel. Now this text cannot just display like that. If it's displaying like that, you see, it's just very flat. We can decide to add sound to it while it displays. Now look at what we do. We go to the beginning of the text where the text appears, place your ripple there, then go back to audio, sound effects, and then you search pop. I usually use pop. I use pop, P-O-P. You search. Yes, perfect. Now click on the plus sign to add it to your timeline. You can decide to increase the volume, adjust the volume. Okay, now let's see what happens. You see, so this is how to use sound effects on your video. Assuming I want to do zoom in and zoom out, let me just perform zoom in and zoom out operation. Now I just added zoom in to this video. You see, so there is a zoom into the video. Now there is no sound effect accompanying it, and it looks very, very flat, or maybe it sounds very, very flat. Now what we will do is to go and add a sound effect to it, and the sound effect I prefer to use here, go to sound effects, I prefer to use whoosh. Now under this category there are so many swooshes. There are so many swooshes here. Okay, this is not what I'm looking for. Let's go and search whoosh. I love to use whoosh for that. I love to use this actually. I love to use this as well. So let's just add this. Let's see. You see? I hope you really understand what happened right here. So this is how to add sound effects in your video. So far so good. I hope you've learned how to add sound effects to your video, how to add background music, and how to remove noise from your video. I am glad to help, guys.